Okay, welcome back, buddies. Here we go. Okay, no one told me that was breakable. Okay, I'll be dunking for... Okay, that was pitiful. At least you guys will get to see the cutscene you guys probably missed. Here we go. If anyone can tell me exactly how to beat this guy, I'd be forever grateful. And also, what's the name of Mr. Black? You know what reminds me of? Mr. Hyde. That would be a more appropriate name, because just look at the guy's face. You thought Big Josh was ugly? Just take a good gander at his face. Okay. Guys, please tell me how to beat this guy, cause he's a really... I don't know what to do when he brings up the Gatling gun, so... Okay, please tell me what to do about this guy. Leave it in the comment section of the video or my channel, cause I'm always starting to get peed. I think you just need to run. And as I said, they did cycle a non-main enemy dial. Okay, can someone please tell me how to beat his hind end? Cause there's no way in the... There's no... I have a snowball chance in heck of getting rid of this guy. What do you do? I wanted to take out his bodyguards, but after that, I see no way. And I still use a dynamite. Huh. That must be what the dynamite's for. It's weird that birds would fly overhead. Come on. Okay. Okay, what you guys doing? Okay, what the heck am I supposed to do here? It makes no sense. The guy comes after you with a Gatling gun. And unlike the last two bosses, you don't get that much roaming room. Okay. I've never exactly seen this before. So, if someone could tell me what I'm supposed to do. I think I got it, guys. Okay. He is really getting on my last nerve, guys. So don't be angry if this is the last video for tonight, because I am starting really to get angry. And trust me, you won't like me when I'm angry. Okay. Okay. Take the... Okay. Okay, maybe I'm supposed to shoot the board. Okay. I'm a bit... Uh, anything. Okay. Okay. Bye, you guys. This will be the last video for tonight, because I am so ticked off right now.